This is how to change your zip code in Cash App. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, look up Cash App, and then update and install the Cash App app. Once you've done that, let's go and open up the app. As soon as you open it up, you're going to go through the steps of creating your account. And let's say you've gone through the steps, you're linking your bank account and adding your home address, but you've realized that you mistakenly put the wrong zip code in or something under that line. Let's go ahead and go to the top right to our profile. Head on over to Personal tab right here and press that. And I will have all of these blurred out, but this is all your personal information displayed here, such as your legal name, your address, your phone number, and your email. If we're trying to change our zip code, we're going to go on over to address right here. Press on replace address. Once you've entered your new address, there will be an option here for your zip code. You can enter a brand new zip code right there. That is how to change your zip code on the Cash App.